Hey everyone, welcome back to Wake Up and Warm Up Vocal Edition with Courtney and Miguel. Today we're going to be adding some new warm-ups and a new fun little tongue twister. Make sure to like and subscribe and enjoy.
Okay guys, so before we sing it out, we're going to stretch it out. So start with your face massages, your finger taps, do your lion and your lemon. A really fun one you can also do is a shakedown. So it's going to be using your right hand, your left hand, your right leg, and your left leg. And it's going to start a countdown from 8. So like this. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And to your right leg. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left leg. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then counting all the way down. So then going to 7. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All the way down to 1, which at the end is going to go 1, 1, 1, 1. Whoa! So it's just a fun one, and it really does get your energy up, which is important for a warm-up. All right, back to business. We're going to do our neck massage. Get all the tension out. We're going to do some head stretches. So looking to your right, taking a deep breath in, holding for 4, and then to the left, holding for 4, and looking down to the ground, up to the sky, gently up, and do some rolling, and then back over. Awesome. Okay. All right, so once we're done our stretching, we want to take a second to make sure that our posture is correct, so we're really ready to sing. So remember to stand with your feet planted about shoulder width apart, bend your knees ever so slightly. You want to get that support into your diaphragm. Make sure that your shoulders and your posture is correct. So what I do sometimes is I do a couple shoulder rolls, so to the back, to the front again, and then to the back, just to get that realignment. Remember we talked about lifting our sternum slightly, so everything up here is lifted, but still relaxed. We don't want to be too tense. And then picture that there's a string pulling you up. All right, got it? Then before we start to sing, we're gonna check in with our breath. So we're gonna do our pa-ta-ka-fa-shh. So feel that really in your diaphragm. Take a big, deep breath. Feel it expand, and then go for it. Pa-ta-ka-fa-shh. And again. Pa-ta-ka-fa-shh. And then one more time. And blowing out for 3. Shh, shh, shh. On that last shh, hold it for as long as you can to kind of test how much air you were able to inhale in your diaphragm. And then try to challenge yourself and get bigger breaths as you go. All right, so we're gonna go into our non-piano warm-up, starting with our yawns from high to low. Then we'll do low to high, and then we'll do high to low and back to high in a slide. So for this exercise, really make sure that your jaw is loose and not tense, and then it kind of hangs down, really low, just very loose during this exercise. All right, let's go for it. Perfect. All right, let's go into lip trills and do the same pattern. Take a nice deep breath so you can keep your lips moving throughout the exercise. All right, here we go. Amazing.
So our first warm-up is going to be the humming. And just like before, I want you guys to make sure that you really open your mouth and make sure none of your teeth or jaw are tight. And you're just going to wrap your lips around your teeth and make an M sound. So,
Amazing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118,
next warm-up is going to be on the word ah. And when you say ah, really drop your jaw and let all of the sound project out. And it's going to sound like this. Ah. And then we're going to go up.
So our next exercise is going to be descending, and we're going to be saying on the vowel ooh. So it's going to sound like this. Ooh. Now with the oohs, I really want you to pucker your lips a little bit and bring them forward, but then make sure that there's space in your jaw and in your mouth to let that air in. So really get a nice whole sound. Ooh, not ooh, ooh. All right.
Our next exercise is a fun little tongue twister. We're going to be saying these words right here to this melody. Maybe my mother may go to Miami and maybe my mother may not. And then we're going to be going up and getting faster with each time that we do it. Just try your best and have fun.
Maybe my mother may go to Miami and maybe my mother may not. Maybe my mother may go to Miami and maybe my mother may not. Maybe my mother may go to Miami and maybe my mother may not. Maybe my mother may go to Miami and maybe my mother may not. Maybe my mother may go to Miami and maybe my mother may not. Maybe my mother may go to Miami and maybe my mother may not. Maybe my mother may go to Miami and maybe my mother may not. Maybe my mother may go to Miami and maybe my mother may not. Maybe my mother may go to Miami and maybe my mother may not.
So the next exercise we'll be doing is our new favorite warm-up, which is Bella Signora. As Miguel explained last week, we're going to go up with an arpeggio and then down with a scale. So it's going to sound like this. Bella Signora. Make sure to take a nice deep breath so you can get through the whole exercise in one breath. Okay, let's do it. Bella Signora. 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 Thanks so much for tuning in this week, guys. Remember to like and subscribe to keep up with all of our new videos, and we'll see you next time.
Bye, everyone.